the maximum effective F-150 Raptor ever, proposing a brand new 5.2-liter Supercharged V8 that cranks out 700 horsepower and 640 lb. Ford of torque for even extra severe off-roading. Next, stage trail. Conquering functionality begins off-evolved with long journey suspension, proposing Fox Live valve shocks eparticularly tuned to take gain of the truck's V8 electricity. Popular class 1 F-150 in Class and Class First. Floor clearance provide advance, manipulate over harsh terrain. Supercharged V8 electricity, accentuated via way of means of the specific styling of Raptor R electricity dome at the hood and desolate tract. Stimulated graphics, black indoors more advantageous via way of means of actual carbon fiber, streaked with signature 4 performance code, orange accents. All 3 generations of F-150 Raptor had been stimulated via way of means of the intense desolate tract racing trophy vans that compete with inside the Beja 1000. Designed and engineered via way of means of Ford performance, the 2023 F-150 Raptor R is the nearest but to turning in this sort of overall performance. At the heart of the Raptor R is a new 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that puts out 700 HP and 640 lb. Ford torque that gives incredible desert mileage. Ford Performance has taken the most powerful engine in the lineup, previously seen in the Mustang Shelby Get 500 RR, and tuned it for Raptor level off-road capability and built Ford Tough R durability. Bottom. Ford Performance has retuned this V8 engine supercharger and installed new pulleys to optimize performance for off-road use and increase low-end and mid-range torque output. These changes allow the Raptor R power at speeds where you spend most of your time riding. A Ford Tough built to conquer the desert, the F-150 Raptor doesn't just have to go fast, it has to conquer harsh off-road environments. Its performance and durability are based on Ford's 10 years of experience in developing and testing heavy-duty trucks. Ford Performance upgraded the base truck's transmission and drivetrain to ensure the Raptor R smoothly handles what this V8 can throw at it. The Raptor R offers a 10-speed select-shift R transmission with improved calibration. The truck features a new front axle with a stiffer, higher-strength beam casting and an aluminum fin structural cover to manage excess torque from the drivetrain, as well as a proprietary large-diameter aluminum drive shaft. A new, specially tuned torque converter with a high-performance turbine, damper, and 4-pinion rear drive further improves the truck's torque transfer and ensures a smooth drive feel on and off-road. Riders can see how the Raptor R expresses that extra power thanks to a unique dual exhaust system with a true straight muffler and an active valve system with normal, sport, quiet, and Beja modes. Sport, quiet, and Beja modes. These can be customized with the TIM feature, which allows drivers to customize multiple settings including powertrain, steering, and suspension modes, and save a single mode that can be accessed by simply pressing the ARI button on the steering wheel. The 5-link rear suspension features extra long trailing arms, panhard bars, and 24-inch coil springs for better axle alignment over rough terrain. Advanced Fox Live valve shocks are tuned to balance ride comfort and roll control and off-road. These electronically controlled dampers use suspension height sensors and other sensors to independently monitor terrain conditions hundreds of times per second and adjust suspension tuning accordingly. With 13 inches of front and 14.1 inches of rear-wheel travel, the Raptor R traverses sand and rocks with great performance. The larger, more aggressively styled power dome on the hood is about an inch taller than the base Raptor and helps expel warm air from underneath. The iconic FORD grille bumpers and fender flares are painted black to accentuate the menacing look. Code orange accents exclusive to Ford Performance include a unique ER badging on the grille, power dome, and tailgate. A special graphics package on the rear fender features a unique design that reflects the rough, cracked desert soil and enhances the type of environment the Raptor R is built to conquer. This aggressive feel is carried over to the black interior. As standard, his Raptor R seats feature a combination of black leather and Alcantara R suede, cleverly positioned for added support on rough roads. Real carbon fiber adorns the top of the doors. Media compartment door and instrument panel featuring a unique triaxial weave that reflects the Raptor R's combination of performance, toughness, and durability. Like the rest of the Raptor family, the Raptor R comes standard with a range of smart technologies that make off-road driving easier. Trail Turn Assist allows riders to close the turning radius in tight corners and go further off. Ford Trail Control, Think Off. Road Cruise Control allows the driver to choose a set speed and maneuver through difficult situations while the truck accelerates and brakes. Trail 1, Pedal Drive makes extreme off-road driving like rock crawling even easier by letting you control throttle and brake with just one pedal. Stay connected with a standard 12-inch touchscreen with Sync 4 technology, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. The Raptor R also benefits from the Ford Power Update feature. These over-the-air updates deliver improvements across the vehicle, from the sync system to quality, performance, and comfort enhancements to enhance your driving experience over time. The F-150 Raptor R is available in 8 color options, including the new Avalanche and Azure Gray Tri-Coat exterior colors offered for the first time in the Raptor lineup. Orders for the F-150 Raptor R begin today, and production will begin at the Dearborn Truck Factory in late 2022. For more information, please contact your dealer.